Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the book back exercise of this lesson, the dragon, the different kind of dragon. Okay. Answer these questions. Why were the people of Bruno afraid? The people of Bruno afraid that there is a dragon in the river. What happened to the people who went to the river? Whoever go there, they lost their life. What was different about the dragon? It was a different kind of dragon because it was not flying, not breathe fire, and not moving also. What did the fisherman take with him to the river? He took a dead body of the goat and a bucket of caustic lime. What did the fisherman? How did the fisherman succeed? Fisherman planned to kill the dragon that he killed the dragon that fisherman planned to kill a dragon with the help of carcass of a goat and a bucket of caustic lime. So he thought that when dragon comes near the boat, he will throw the bucket full of caustic lime, and his plan worked. Next, complete the flow chart to show the order of the events in the story. The people of Bruno were terrified because long ago, a horrible monster lived in a swamp near the rivers Svithava and Srapka. The people had never dash, but they imagined it to be dash. The people had never seen the monster, but they imagined it to be a dragon. The terrible monster caught the people and animals that strayed to the river. The people decided to get rid of the dragon. One day the mayor announced whoever kills the dragon and bring its body to me, will get a bag of gold coin. Nobody volunteered for a long time, but one day a fisherman who had not been able to work close to home for years for the fear of monster, said that he would get rid of the monster. The fisherman carried the dash with him to kill the dragon. His wife went along with him. Fisherman, carcass of a goat, and a bucket of caustic lime. They rowed out into the water and waited. Suddenly they saw a something long, streaking towards them under the water. The fisherman's wife dashed while the fisherman edged the carcass dash. Wife lifted up the sturdy oar in her hands. While the fisherman ate the carcass of the boat over the rim. The monster came close and opened dash, and the fisherman opened its huge jaws. The fisherman poured the bucket of caustic lime. The fisherman and his wife rowed quickly to the shore and shouted, "We killed the monster." The people came to see the monster's carcass dash. Huge body floating in the water. It was a huge crocodile. Understood? next tomorrow we will see the vocabulary. Okay, thank you.